Ever pondered the idea of crafting a beautiful and scrumptious cake right in the comfort of your own kitchen? Well, the opportunity is right here, right now. Today the spotlight is on a classic, a simple yet delicious sponge cake. Imagine the aroma of a freshly baked cake wafting through your house, a treat not just for the taste buds but also for the senses. Now hold that thought because that's precisely what we're about to create together. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. For this divine creation you'll need some everyday items. 6 large eggs, a cup of sugar, a cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a splash of vanilla extract. Simple, isn't it? Step 2. Preheat your oven. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. It's crucial to get your oven nice and hot before the batter goes in. Now on to step 3. As the oven warms up, focus on your eggs. Crack them open and separate the yolks from the whites. Beat the whites until they form stiff peaks. This process is called whisking, and it's what gives our sponge cake its light, airy texture. Step 4. It's time to sweeten things up. Gradually add sugar to the egg yolks while continuously whisking. You're looking for a creamy, pale yellow mixture. Scene script. On to step 5, the dry ingredients. Sift your flour and baking powder together, then fold them gently into your creamy yolk mixture. Remember, folding, not stirring, is the key here to keep the batter light. Step 6. Bring the egg whites back into the picture. Fold them into the batter, adding a bit at a time. Patience is a virtue, especially in baking. Finally, step 7. Pour the batter into a greased baking pan and pop it into your preheated oven. Bake for around 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. And there you have it. 7 easy steps to a mouth-watering homemade sponge cake. To recap, you begin with gathering your ingredients, preheating your oven, and then whisking your eggs. Next, you sweeten your yolks, fold in your dry ingredients, and then your egg whites. Finally, you bake until golden and delicious. Give this recipe a shot. Trust me, the joy of baking a cake from scratch is parallel to none. Not to mention, the taste of a homemade sponge cake is sure to delight your palate. So, go ahead, put on that apron and unleash the baker within you. Happy baking!